Hey guys, how are you doing? I am doing very well today. I'm really excited today for a few reasons. One being that it is almost 70 degrees here today. That makes me very happy. I do not like the cold. I hate the cold. I hate the winter, so it's a beautiful day out and that's why I'm filming outside. Lighting might be a little weird with the sun and the shade, but I don't care because it's beautiful out. Hopefully the weather is finally starting to turn in Maryland. More than that, hopefully it stays that way because we had some nice days last week and then it got cold again and that wasn't fun. Another reason I'm really excited today is it is opening day at Camden Yards. Ta-da! Even though I can't be there, I'm still supporting my team, wearing our colors. So far this season, our boys have been doing great, but today is opening day at our home ballpark, so that's very exciting. I hope everyone who's down there is having a lot of fun. So the other reason I'm really excited today is I've got a package. So I joined this this chat group on Twitter with some fellow YouTubers, and we're all trying to support each other and get to know each other a little better, and we decided to do a package swap. That's actually how the whole thing got started, was some people asking if anyone wanted to do a package swap. And so we did that. We're trying to send some local stuff. We've got a lot of people from all over the states. We've also got some people from across the pond. And yeah, so we paired off and sent each other different things that are local to us and special to us. I exchanged with Main Street ASA. I will tag her channel down below, so check it out. She already got her video up with stuff I sent, and I'll post that. So if you're from Maryland, go ahead, definitely check that out. See what you think of the items that I picked out. But let's get to it. So this is the box from Main Street ASA. Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited to check it out. We're gonna open it up. Okay, so right away, got a bag. Just a plastic bag, but it made for good packing material. Flavors from farm to table, taste the world without the trip. It's fun. It's a pretty good bag. It's just a plastic bag, but it's pretty substantial, so we'll be able to reuse that. Good packing material choice there. And I've got a note. It says, "Hey Allie. Hey Allie, we hope you enjoy this California themed box and learn more about the state we call home. We hope you feel better soon. Main Street ASA." Yeah, I was dealing with some stuff as we were getting ready to ship out the boxes, but I am doing much better. Thank you guys for checking in. So, ooh, first we have Pocky. I've actually had this. We have a pretty high Asian population in my area, so this is actually pretty easy to find by me, but I love it, and they're delicious. Hi Chew. Also, this is another fun treat that you often find at Asian markets. I've actually never tried this before, so that's really exciting. I'm excited to try that. Little fruity, chewy candies. Hello Panda. It's another delicious one. It's been a really long time since I had that, so that's really exciting. Ooh, seeds. So we got some seeds for California poppy. That's really exciting. I'm going to try and grow these. Fun fact, I kill plants. So hopefully I can be successful with this. I'll try and grow these, and maybe if I'm successful, I can do another video showing how they turned out. And we've got Trader Joe's organic hemp seed bars. Cashews, almond, and blueberries. Those sound delicious. We have a Trader Joe's by me, but I've never seen these here. So yeah, we'll have to try that. Maybe I can hunt them out, get some more if I want. Okay, so this makes me really jealous. We're gonna do that next. We got a mug, it looks like. Oh, that's so great. I love myself a coffee mug. This is a nice, good size mug too. None of these small coffee mugs. What's up with that? But this is a good size. That's the kind of coffee mug I like. This is Golden State of Mind. That's beautiful. I love the little gold lettering. It's got the outline of California. That's beautiful. I'll drink from that tomorrow morning. And then of course, she had to throw something in to make me jealous because I do not live near any of the Disney parks, and I've actually never been to Disneyland. I've never been to California. So she sent me a couple park maps. Those are exciting. I'll check those out later, look more closely at them. Really jealous that you live close enough that you can just go pick up some maps. Not gonna lie, I hate you a little bit right now. It's not true. I don't hate you. I love you, of course. Ooh, this is fun. An AP pin for the Lunar New Year, and that's really extra special because as you can see, it's got a pig on it. I don't know if you can tell. It's got the outline of the pig. I was actually born in the year of the pig, so this is sort of extra special because it's the year of the pig again, and I was born in the year of the pig, so that's really fun. And that's cool. It's, you know, obviously something that not just anyone can get. Okay, so as I said, I've had the Pocky and the Hello Panda before. Let's try out some Hi-Chew. So we've got green apple and strawberry and grape. I'm gonna go with green apple because that was the first one I pulled out. See, comes in little packages. So it looks like, kind of looks like a Tootsie Roll, but white. It smells like apple. Yeah, it's good. It's really, it's not too tart. It's just a little tart. A good apple flavor. Yeah. So that's my box from Main Street ASA. Like I said, check out her video and her channel. I'll link to it down below. Keep an eye out for more of these videos. We're going to keep doing exchanges, I believe. I think everyone's really had a lot of fun both putting together the boxes and then also receiving the boxes and opening them and doing our videos for the unboxing. So be sure to keep an eye out for more. We'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.